Okay, here now with Todd Campbell. He's the Director of Sales for Weldcoa. Todd, new to Weldcoa, but not necessarily new to the industry. Talk to us about where you've been and how you got to where you are.
Yeah, Tim, with Weldcoa since February of 2023, but quickly approaching 27 years in the industry, primarily a specialty gas background and gases and equipment distribution systems.
Okay, and as it pertains to the distributors here at GAWDA, what is your primary focus?
Certainly to be present and hear their needs, but to help identify needs that maybe they aren't aware of. We focus quite a bit on safety in the industry as a whole, so Weldcoa is a big part of that. And then training. Our popular Gas Masters series online has been very popular with many teams across the different employee bases and positions within the companies.
Very good. And talk about some of the big wins that you guys had in 2023. I knew it was a big year for Weldcoa. What are some of the big wins?
Yeah, we're excited to partner with a lot of the distributors. Certainly some big opportunities in the Kentucky market, the Texas market, Washington area. Specifics around product would be new initiatives in medical gas filling that are state-of-the-art. But we really appreciate the opportunities to work in both small and large markets.
All right, speaking of opportunities, talk about some of the emerging markets that you've seen out there as you've been on the road, and maybe something that you could tip off the distributors if they're not already involved with them.
Well, they're partnerships in industrial independent groups, really from specialty gas needs. Calibration gases in the air monitoring sector is certainly very popular. Some people are enhancing their capability to do that. Certainly CO2 has got a lot of conversation, hydrogen, but the chip markets, semiconductor, along with etching gases and excimer laser markets certainly present a capability for Weldcoa to support the needs of our industry.
Awesome. And turning the page to 2024, what are some of the things that distributors should be on the lookout for from Weldcoa in 2024?
Well, keep an eye out for some new products. We're very excited to launch some here very shortly. We've got some new fill plant technology going into play that you'll read about here shortly. And some of the standard products on our welded products side as well. But we're looking to add fresh talent to the team. We're looking to grow in sales and marketing as well as engineering, which we've added some fresh faces recently. But we're looking to grow in 2024 for sure.
Awesome. Well, always great to hear from Weldcoa. Thank you for everything that you guys do for us throughout the year. Great to see you here.
Thank you, Tim.
In Maui. All right. Thank you, Todd.